Hi, you guys. So I was going to bed, and then the announcement from Putin came out, and essentially what he is doing is claiming the gains that they've already made in the U country as the R countries, and calling up 300,000 reservists, and says he's not bluffing about using nuclear weapons to defend this land that they've recaptured. I will put a link below to the speech, and it will be translated so you can watch it for yourself. So that is some breaking news I thought you all would be interested in. I don't know what this means for us. I think this is going to be a conflict with NATO. But yeah, he's trying to hold on to the areas that they've occupied, I guess you'd say, right now, and claim them as Russia's. So, yeah, it's interesting developments. So you can listen to the whole thing and decide for yourself, what exactly is going on here, but that's the short and sweet of it. He had a lot to say. It is translated into English in the video, so you'll be able to listen to it in its entirety. So yeah, I will post that down below, and you all have a good day. So I'm going to bed now. I finished my canning project. I was going to bed and watched that, and I was like, ooh, that's kind of important stuff. So anyways, I will see you all soon. You take care, you stay safe, and stock the pantry for winter. That's all I can say.